Morning, brothers and sisters. Today is Monday, June 9, 2025. Our daily gospel, St. Matthew chapter 5, verse 1 up to 12. This account is famously known as Beatitudes, but we will just read the core of our message in verse 1 and 2. Now when Jesus saw the crowds, he went up on a mountainside and sat down. His disciples came to him and he began to teach them. The Gospel of the Lord. Our message, spiritual orientation o spiritual na pagsasaayos. Spiritual orientation of Jesus to His disciples before they will be sent for a mission. First, Jesus' teaching and sharing of His spiritual character to His disciples that pleases God. Ang pagtuturo at pagbabahagi ni Jesus ng kanyang spiritual na katangian sa kanyang mga disipulo na nakalulugod sa Diyos. Second, Jesus teaching and giving a mandate to His disciples to be a partaker and for the expansion of God's kingdom. Ang pagtuturo at pagbibigay ng utos ni Jesus sa kanyang mga disipulo na maging kabahagi at para sa pagpapalawak ng kaharian ng Diyos. And third, Jesus teaching and how to be effective His disciples to reach out and win many lost souls for God's kingdom. Ang pagtuturo ni Jesus at kung paano maging epektibo ang kanyang mga disipulo para abutin at makuha o may panalo ang maraming nawawalang kaluluwa para sa kaharian ng Diyos. Magandang umaga and God bless us all.